Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and happy Valentine's Day. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do this beautiful makeup look, perfect for Valentine's Day. As you can see, we have some red lipstick and this foundation is gonna last all day long, the whole night, whatever you're doing today. By the way, just leave me a comment down below telling me what you're gonna be doing today, this Valentine's Day. I really don't know what I'm gonna be doing, but this makeup, I really like it and it was really easy to do. So if you want to know how I did this beautiful makeup look, just keep on watching. Okay you guys, so the first step is to hydrate our face. I'm gonna use this Pond's dry skin cream. I think that my skin is a combination, but I really like to feel hydrated, and we're gonna be using a full coverage foundation today, so we really need to be moisturized. And now for primer, I'm gonna be taking the Lancome Lab Base Pro Pore Eraser, and this is supposed to erase the pores. I really do like this primer. I like using my fingers to do this step because I feel like your fingers are really warm and that can help to melt the product into the skin. So I'm just waiting for this to get dry and I'm gonna apply my foundation next. Okay, so this is the foundation for today. This is the Huda Beauty Fauxfilter foundation. This is full coverage, so I don't use it every day, but for a special occasion like this one, Valentine's Day, we're gonna be using it. I have it in the shade Toasted Coconut, which is number 240N. And I'm gonna be applying it with a flat brush like this one. This is the Sephora number 56. Don't forget to bring your foundation down your neck, because we don't want two different shades. This is gonna help us blend the foundation better. This is such a good foundation. Like, if you really want to invest in a good foundation, you really need to try this one because it is so full coverage. And it's looking kind of crazy in this on the camera, I feel like. So now I'm gonna go over with my beauty sponge, and I'm using this because I use two pumps and I'm feeling like it's way too much coverage. With this foundation you only need one pump and you're gonna be set. Okay, so now I'm gonna add concealer. This is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Custard, and I'm gonna apply it under my eyes. Okay, so now for contour, because my face is looking super plain right now, I'm gonna use this Too Faced concealer. This is a multi-use concealer. You can use it to conceal, contour, highlight, or retouch. And I have mine in the shade Honey. So I'm just gonna do some contour. So I'm just gonna blend this with my beauty sponge. Don't forget to blend it upwards, and there you can see the line. Okay, all of these products were cream products, so now I'm gonna take my Laura Mercier translucent powder and I'm gonna set my entire face. So I'm just tapping the powder instead of leaving it like that and then just take it away. I'm trying to make it get into the skin so I can set our whole makeup right away. Okay, so here is our set makeup. Now we just need to find a bronzer to apply. Okay, so this is the bronzer that I'm gonna be using today. This is the Fenty Beauty Caramel Cutie, and it is really dark. So I'm gonna start applying a little bit first, and then we're gonna see if we need some more. So I'm gonna be using this powder and bronzer brush. This one is from Milani and it's really good, and you can get it at Walmart. So yeah, I really recommend it. Okay, wow you guys, this is pretty dark, but it's good because you don't need a lot of product, and look at the difference. Okay, so now for the nose, I'm gonna add a little bit of bronzer using this flat brush. It's like the contour, but I'm just gonna add some color to it. And now for my highlighter, I'm gonna be taking this one from Wet n Wild. This is the highlighting powder, and I have it in the number 321B. So I'm gonna take the same bronzer brush without any new product, and I'm gonna go over the highlighter because I don't want to see any like sharp lines. Okay, so now I'm gonna use some more translucent powder just to clean a little bit my bronzer line because I want it to look more sharp. Okay you guys, so here is the base makeup. Now we need to do eyebrows and then the eyeshadow, and we're almost done. So for eyebrows, I'm gonna be using the Brow from Benefit in the shade 3.5, and I have this other eyebrow brush. It has a spoolie here and an angle brush in the other end, and this one is from Morphe. So first I like to do the top just to fill in the gaps in there, and then I do a little line up front. And then I just make sure I fill in everything. Now I just use the spoolie to blend. Okay you guys, so this is the eyeshadow palette for today. This is the Daisy Marquez times BH Cosmetics palette. Daisy Marquez is super nice and beautiful and gorgeous. She's like amazing, and I love her palette. These are the shades. I'm thinking I'm probably gonna be using the red shades. Maybe this one. It's gonna look pretty. This part right here is a mirror, so I'm gonna be using it as well. And let's see what we can come up with. Okay, so for my transition shade, I'm gonna take Dulce and I'm gonna apply it all over my lid. These eyeshadows are so pigmented. I really like them. So the next shade is gonna be Passion Fruit. So as you can see, it is super pigmented because I'm just tapping it and it's already giving me so much color. So now I'm gonna take the shade Bittersweet and I'm gonna apply it on the corner of the eye, and then we're gonna start blending. I'm gonna start blending with the same brush that we used earlier. Okay, so now we need something sparkly for the lid. I'm gonna take this shade called Lust and I'm gonna apply it with my finger. Like, look at that. That is super pigmented. So now I'm gonna take Bittersweet again, which is this shade. I'm gonna apply it on the corner of the eye again, and I'm gonna keep blending. So now for the inner corner, I'm gonna take the shade Icy and I'm gonna apply it on the inner corner. Wow. So now I'm just gonna work on the bottom lash line using the same shades that we applied before, like Passion Fruit and Bittersweet. Okay, so the eyes are done. Well, no, the eyeshadow is done, okay, because we still need to do a lot. Okay, you guys, so now we just need to finish with the eyes. I'm gonna apply my highlighter from Marc Jacobs. I have mine in the shade Blocker. I'm also gonna do wing liner using this liquid eyeliner from e.l.f. I think it's like $2 and you can get it from Walmart. I really recommend it. It's like my favorite right now. And I have some falsies. These are the foaming wispies from Ardell, which is another brand that you can find at Walmart. And for my lash glue, I have this one from Kiss. And if you have any other recommendations of lash glue, just let me know in the comments down below, because I would like to try another one. And this one is the clear one. So I'm gonna go do all of that and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so we're back. I'm gonna be taking this Go Big or Go Home mascara from Kat Von D, and I'm gonna apply it on my top and bottom lashes. Okay, so now we need a lipstick, and since it's Valentine's, why not? Let's just apply this liquid Morphe red lipstick, but it is a liquid lipstick, so I always like to add some lip balm first. So I have this one from EOS, and I'm gonna apply it. And now we're ready to apply our red liquid lipstick. Okay, so now we just need to set the makeup, and I'm gonna be using the All Nighter setting spray from Urban Decay. This is transfer proof, it's super long lasting, so I really like it. And okay, you guys, so here we have our makeup all done. It was super easy to do. I love the lipstick. This foundation is gonna last you the whole night or the whole day, whatever it is that you need, and it looks really flawless and nice. I really like it. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys!